Hi, my name is Ray Khan, and I am here to introduce to you an amazing product called Noaa. It is an effervescent tablet which when you drop in water will naturally dissolve. So what exactly does it do to your water? To demonstrate the different benefits of Noaa, we have here different beverages that we might normally drink. Soda, an energy drink, distilled water, mineral water, alkaline water that claims to have a pH level of 9, tap water, and water treated with Noaa. Firstly, Noaa is alkaline. For a substance to be called alkaline or basic, it must measure a pH level greater than 7. A pH level of 7 is neutral, neither acidic nor alkaline. Therefore, anything above a pH level of 7 is considered alkaline. Anything below 7 is considered an acidic substance. So here we will see whether these beverages are acidic or alkaline by using a pH drop to test them. Let's start off with a soda. Next is the energy drink. Then we have the distilled water, mineral water, alkaline water, the tap water, and lastly, the Noaa treated water. You will notice that the soda turned red. Based on the pH chart you see, this means that the acidity level of soda is very high. This is very bad for your health. Cancer cells are known to thrive in acidic environments. In addition, high acidity in the body can cause many chronic diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and osteoporosis, to name a few. The energy drink likewise turned red like the soda, and so did the distilled water. This simply means that these beverages are high in acidity. Contrary to what people say about distilled water being good for the body, this may not be the case. Let's take a look at the mineral water. We see that it is slightly alkaline in color. Now this commercial alkaline water turned blue, confirming it is alkaline. Next we have the tap water. As we can see, tap water turns green, and based on the chart this indicates that tap water is neutral. Why is this so? It is necessary for the federal government to keep our pipes free from rusting, thus the necessity to treat it and keep it pH neutral. Lastly, we have the Noaa treated water. Notice the change in color? Comparing all the colors of the beverages, it shows that Noaa has the highest alkaline level among all of them. The second benefit of Noaa is what we call the negative ORP, or negative oxidation reduction potential. Oxidation is defined as the reaction of oxygen molecules to other substances like metals and living tissues, including our body cells. By using this ORP meter, we can measure the oxidation level of each beverage. A positive reading, or what we call positive oxidation, brings degeneration, deterioration, and aging to our body cells. On the other hand, a negative reading on this ORP meter, or negative oxidation, means that the substance is an antioxidant that slows down the aging process. Basically, it actually repairs and rejuvenates our body cells. So let's go ahead and measure the ORP level of each beverage. Let's start with a soda. A positive oxidation level of 212. Not only is soda very acidic, as we've seen, it is definitely an oxidant that can add to the degeneration of our body cells. Now we have the energy drink. Still positive in oxidation. And so with the distilled water. What we would like to see is a negative sign on the reading. Let's check out the mineral water. It's around 150. Now let's try the alkaline water. It is good to note that though it may be alkaline in color, the ORP reading is still positive. Now we have the tap water. Still no negative sign. So let's go to the Noaa treated water. Watch the reading go down. You can actually see the negative sign. Negative 60, 70, 80, and it's still going down. we actually keep this pointer in the water longer, this NOAA treated water will read as low as 654 millivolts ORP level, and that is truly anti-aging. Now I'd like to show you what NOAA water can do to all these beverages. Beautiful. Do you see how it changes color when I pour NOAA water into it? Now I'm just going to pour some into this one. And lastly, the soda. See how it turns what is already alkaline into more alkaline and what is acidic into alkaline. Check this out though. The energy drink and soda do not change color at all. So let's see what happens when we pour them into the other drinks. Look at that. So here's the point. It's good to know that though you may take NOAA to help reduce acidity and increase alkalinity, a change in lifestyle and diet is still necessary to gain its full benefits. Here's a demonstration to further show the negative oxidation characteristic of NOAA. We placed some nails in 2 separate jars of water, one with NOAA tablets and the other without. After a week, we noticed that the nails in the NOAA water remained clean, while the nails in the plain water rusted. We can use this to illustrate how our body, like the nails, when continually exposed to toxins from our environment and the unhealthy food we take, is also rusting and degenerating. It is good to take substances like NOAA that can counter this degeneration and aging process. Another benefit of NOAA is that it microclusters water molecules. Sometimes even after drinking water, we still feel dehydrated. The reason behind that is that the regular size of water molecules is too big to penetrate our body cells. But when you put NOAA in your water, the water molecules become so microclustered, giving it excellent hydrating properties and high solubility and good permeability. When it comes to microclustering, NOAA water is better than most leading brands of energy drinks in the market. I'd like to show you some demonstrations. Here we have 2 sets of tomatoes. We will now pour the NOAA water in one of them. And tap water in the other. Now we're just going to set these aside for a few minutes. On this side, we also have 4 glasses. Here we'll put NOAA water, and then tap water in this one, NOAA water again, and tap water. Now I have a tea bag. As we all know, a tea bag dissolves only in hot water. It doesn't usually dissolve in room temperature water. So let's see what happens when we put it in tap water at room temperature. It doesn't dissolve. No changes. Now let's try to submerge it in water with NOAA at room temperature. Isn't that amazing? See how it dissolves? Now you may say that it dissolved because it has been previously submerged in water. Let's take a look at what happens if we put it back in ordinary tap water. No changes. Now again in NOAA treated water. Now you can enjoy drinking tea with room temperature water as long as you put a NOAA tablet in it. Now, going back to our tomatoes experiment. Normally before eating tomatoes, we wash them clean of dirt and pesticides. We'd like to show you the difference when using tap water and NOAA water to wash your vegetables and fruits. So I'm just going to pour the water out. See how the tap water remains clear? Unknowingly, what we think is already clean may not be that clean after all. Now let's see what NOAA water does. Can you see the difference? You can tell that Noaa water cleans better than the ordinary tap water. So many people have already experienced the many benefits of Noaa. We hope that you would try it for yourself and experience this amazing product.